Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Portronics Pure Sound Pro 3 10-watt wireless soundbar. This is a soundbar. This can be connected via USB port, aux in, and also via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi if you want to. This is a Pure Sound Pro wireless 10-watt wireless soundbar. You can see what this particular soundbar is going to look like. We have some more information over here. This 5-watt and 2. Basically, there are two built-in speakers in this particular soundbar. So each of these speakers have 5-watt output. So that's a total of 10 watt. It comes with a 2500 mAh battery and playback time is 6 to 7 hours max, depending on the volume. Now let's open this box and take a look inside. There you go. These are the components of this particular box. This is what you'll find inside this particular box. We have a user manual for the Pure Sound Pro 3 10-watt wireless soundbar. You should read it at least once. You'll also learn how to set up this particular device. Next up, we have a micro USB charging cable for this particular speaker. There you can see micro USB charging cable. And we also have a 3.5 mm aux cable. This is for when you want to connect this device manually. And now let's take a look at the soundbar. This is what the soundbar looks like. It's a little over a feet long. It has this very nice, very classy piano black finish all over and a mesh design at the front. Notice the Portronics logo over here. This is a soundbar, so it has to be placed like this, horizontally ideally. For that purpose, there are two anti-slip stops right underneath. So you can place it like this without, this will not skid now or slip on any surface. What all do we have? What else do we have? So yes, you can place it like this, but it is not advised that you do so. There are some ports at the back. There you can see there are some ports at the back. These are your USB-A slot, your micro USB slot, and your aux port. And this is the built-in remote for this particular speaker, which is the power button, the mode button, and the plus minus volume button. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Portronics Pure Sound Pro 3 10-watt wireless soundbar. Thank you for watching.